Once all the leaves fell off my cherry tree last fall, I found that my entire tree was covered with black knot fungus. I'm assuming I need to just cut the tree down. What is the proper method of disposing of cherry branches with black knot fungus on them? And this is Carolyn. This is a devastating fungus.
It's bad.
It is bad,
Yeah.
and it usually attacks the genus prunus. So it's usually what, cherries, plums, apricots, it can do some serious damage, right? But the thing about that black knot fungus is this. If you don't have resistant varieties, and if it's covered, your tree's covered in this fungus,
Yeah,
I would get rid of it.
absolutely.
And depending on where you live, Miss Carolyn, I would burn it. If you can't burn it, I would cut it up, put it in a bag, send it away.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty, and so definitely, I would definitely cut the tree and dispose of the branches properly.
I would do that properly.
Yes.
Right. So, yeah, if you want another cherry tree, I would look for resistant varieties.
Absolutely.
For sure, because it is a nasty fungus. All right. So, Ms. Carolyn, again, depending on where you live, you can burn it. If you cannot burn it, I will put it in a bag, send it away. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.